my name is Lida Vargas from Virginia Dental Group. I have my general practice located in Fairfax, Virginia. I've been using StellaLife for about 6 years now, after we've been a little frustrated with Chlorhexidine rinses. I can tell that the difference now with the tissues, the healing, patient response is been really good. I'm very satisfied. The product that I use the most is the rinse for all my hygiene patients. Our hygienists love it. And they respond very well, especially for perio phase 1. And for us, during surgeries or other procedures a little bit more complex, we use the gel in combination with the rinse. And we also see that the patient 7 days later for follow-ups, the soft tissue healing is much better, and the patients are reporting less pain, less discomfort, and definitely less swelling. So I'm very happy with it. I hope that other clinicians start using it more often.